Here's our cassava cake. First clean slice, lifting a warm slice, glossy, lightly steaming top. You'll need grated cassava, coconut milk, eggs, and sugar. In a bowl, combine cassava, coconut milk, eggs, and sugar. Fold gently with a wooden spoon until evenly moistened. Stir as the batter thickens and turns glossy. Use steady circles to smooth every lump. Scrape the sides, then finish with one neat fold. Pour thick batter in a ribbon into a lined pan. Watch it spread evenly as it lands. At the pan's lip, it settles into a glossy layer. Tap the pan. Bubbles rise and the surface levels. Smooth the top with long strokes for a satin finish. Shower grated cheese evenly across the batter. Cover every spot, no bare patches left. Nudge cheese to the corners, clean, tidy edges. Lightly glaze the top for a beautiful sheen. Slide it into a preheated oven. Warm light on top. Bake until bubbling and golden, then bring it out. Cool the cake. Score the glossy top with a knife. Lift a square. Watch delicate cheese strands stretch. Admire the dense custardy crumb with cassava fibers. Set the slice on a small plate. Edges clean. Tidy the sides. Minimal crumbs, inviting texture. Hero slice on a plate. Slow dolly in under soft light. Fork glides through cleanly. Perfect bite. Perfect separation. Savor the slice as we drift past with bokeh.